All right, welcome back, algebra students. I want to just remind you about slope quick. Say you have the equation y equals 1/3 x plus 2. This means your y-intercept is 2, that's here. From there, you go over 3 and up 1. It's not a very steep line, and it looks like that. If you miss your point, make your point bigger. And now let's say you have this type of function, the absolute value function. First of all, the absolute value of 3 is 3. The absolute value of -3 is also 3. And that's why you have this sort of shape. It is almost like two little linear segments. One has a slope of 1. The other has a slope of -1. If you now think about this function is now shifting, that means that the v function, absolute value function, is shifting 2 units to the right and 3 units up. So we just say that it's centrally located at the point 2, 3. Remember, this works backwards. This is actual. And now again, because there's an implied 1 here, this segment has a slope of 1. This segment has a slope of -1. So if you have this situation, 1/3 x, let's just say plus 3 minus 2, just to practice. You are now centrally located. Your V shape has a vertex at the point -3, -2. That's here. From there, now we have to do the slope. When you work your way to the right, you have a slope of over 3 up 1. And this slope of this V shape is 1/3. Slope is 1/3 on that part. On the opposite, it's kind of like a reflection over this line. You work back 3 and up 1, which is technically, I know it seems like it's going up. It's in terms of slope, it's going down. Slope is measured from left to right. So this slope of this segment is -1/3. Here's the last, maybe tricky one. Y equals -2/5 x plus 1 plus 1, let's say. Okay, so this is centrally located at -1, +1. That's here. Now, from here, we just do this slope to it, basically. We work our way over 5, down 2, and that's the start of our V shape, and then you just do the mirror image on that side. That's how you graph these things. All right, good luck, kiddos.